Good morning, everyone. Today I will speak about one of the bravest women in Indian history, Rani Lakshmibai, also known as the Queen of Jhansi. She was born on 19th November 1828 in Varanasi. Her childhood name was Manikarnika and people lovingly called her Manu. She learned to read, ride horses, and even use a sword. She got married to the King of Jhansi and became Rani Lakshmibai. When the British tried to take over her kingdom after the king died, she refused to give up. She said, "I will not give my Jhansi." In 1857, during India's first war of independence, Rani Lakshmibai led her army with great courage. She fought bravely on horseback with her baby tied to her back. Even though the British were stronger, she never gave up. Sadly, she was killed in battle on 18th June 1858, fighting like a true warrior at the age of just 29. Rani Lakshmibai showed that women can be just as brave and strong as anyone else. She is remembered as a symbol of courage and patriotism. Let us all be proud of her and keep her spirit alive in our hearts. Thank you. Jai Hind.